It is 26 degrees where I am in Alabama. Feels like 13. There's no frost in my window, like at all. But look at this. Oh man. I cannot open my truck. What do I do? Oh, there you go. What in the world, y'all? I'm gonna turn it on and leave it in here until I can come back. I gotta go get my banana bread that I made for work. This is my husband's tax. He likes it in pieces. This is for everybody. And this is the baker's tax. Okay. It does feel like 13 degrees apparently. I don't really know where this 13-degree feels comes from because I'm not feeling it. But oh well. We're just gonna be very careful on the road because by the looks of it, there might be ice in some parts. There was a puddle outside my apartment and I stepped on it. Not ice. So hopefully we'll be safe. You know, some people do forget how to drive in the South. My husband's school system has a 2-hour delay, but I do have to come to work. At least I have banana bread.